Is the siren going off?
What?
Is the sirens going off?
I got a call on my machine, Brad, saying something about take cover and something. I think somebody's playing a trick.
No, it looked black out this way.
Well, I think somebody played a trick, Brad, because Amron called and said 407 Green Street had outages. That was this morning, and I've never had outages, and they said be on at 2:45, and it's been on all morning. And so when I called there, they just said there wasn't sure, so maybe in this area. So I think somebody just called and gave my number.
No, it really looked black in the backyard here.
Well, maybe it is, but so maybe you better stay there and see what's going on.
Yeah, I gotta get my cat and get in the closet.
You what, honey?
Kitty and get in the closet.
Oh, well, I wouldn't worry about that, honey, but because it might be a long time before it does anything. But you just stay home and then I'll talk to you later.
I'll just see about coming later.
Yeah, and when you do come, bring the plastic dish, honey.
Did you hear a siren? I thought I did.
I don't right now. Well, this Bessie just said take cover something. I don't know what was going on. Something take cover. Well, maybe it was a true call then.
Yeah, I gotta get in the cat and get in the closet because I don't want to take a chance here.
Well, don't get in the closet till you hear more about it. You should say something on TV or the radio, honey.
Yeah, I'll go ahead and turn the weather channel on.
Yeah, the radio should give that information. Okay, I'll talk to you later, honey.
Alright,
Okay, love you. Bye-bye.
bye.
Get your things in from outdoors.
Yep. Get this weather channel on. 6 something. Well, let's take a look in the backyard here. Excuse me, Daddy needs to check the weather, buddy. It's being fair to have to get in the closet again if Daddy, buddy. Make sure things are... The skies do look black. The sky does look pretty dark. So... Stay back, Con.
forwarded to an automatic.
Yeah, you must be in shelter. I must been. There it is. Back. In a minute, we gotta get in the closet. Again. Yeah, it looks pretty black. Come on, love. Gotta get in the closet. Come on.
Fire Station 1.
How come, where's the tornado at when the sirens went off? Good afternoon. We must have got disconnected. Where's the tornado spotted at?
So if you're in Milledgeville or west and southwest of Milledgeville, you really need to be taking shelter now. And again, even up toward Elkhorn Grove. But this is moving very quickly. Again, these storms are moving anywhere now between about 45 and 55 miles per hour. But that's still some fast movement. Now Sterling, winds in Sterling now very, very strong. The top end where it bows back, this is where things might be a little slower. So that's why we're getting a storm movement of 55 miles per hour around Sterling, with winds coming out of that storm, preceding that storm. So that's why we're getting gusts there between 65 and perhaps 70. And that's why things are a little bit slower there. But toward Milledgeville, that's where we have the rotation. That's why you see that black box there. That is a tornado warning. And that's going to go till, was it 3:30 on that one, I believe, for the tornado warning. And this will be kind of cut off here pretty soon and more localized to the area of concern, which is right there on the top of that area of green, which is indicating the strongest outflow, the strongest front. Right now, into that there, as that area.
Sorry, love bug, but I gotta put you in the cage for safety. Daddy, go get something to put over our head.
So, as a funnel cloud outside of Milledgeville, to the west, I don't want to say near Milledgeville, it was probably somewhere
Something here. I suppose to use this. This will probably be good.
right now. They say the wind is blowing like crazy right now because you've got right at this point, it's probably now even past because again, there is a few minutes delay between radar frames. So the leading edge of that wind is probably now at or east of the county line. Pummeled by some very strong winds, and I know that they've got the airport there, Rockwell's, damage from that, and of course.
It's okay, Cole. Just go with me. I'm just keeping you safe, buddy. I figured this would happen, Cone. Daddy figured it would. The way it's hot and cold out mixing. That's what causes this, so. Daddy checked the weather. Gotta stay there a minute, please, buddy. Be careful with the weather. The sirens went off.
Has been extended to the west, or I should say the east, because the storm's moving in from the west. And this is just going to be something that folks to the east of us will have to deal with late this afternoon into the evening. The storms, which we're dealing with now, that at least leading edge, continuing to move off to the east. And again, as you look at this little kind of Boeing segment, or think of it as always think of it backwards C. When we say Boeing on the radar, think of a backwards C, and that's what you've got going here. This is not approaching Dixon, Illinois, Lee County, which happens to be under the storm warning as well. We're just really concerned about that circulation right there. It does seem to be weakening a little bit, but again, it's still an active tornado warning for the time being.
Enough, please. Enough, please. I'm filming this, so do not say that.
What?
filming the storm.
Why are you building a storm?
Inter-
Go home and you've seen it multiple times.
Interesting.
Not the first, I think it's the first time you've ever seen a storm in your whole life.
Rotation continues to just kind of spin over Brookville, but it's just about to leave the actual boarding box, and when that happens, we will get back to regular programming. And as a matter of fact, I think, is that still valid? So, yeah, still have a tornado warning right there. Includes Milledgeville to Elkhorn Grove. Milledgeville, you're fine now. Don't have any reason for you folks to worry. Winds are still a little strong, but they're coming down, and the rotation that we're dealing with is still right there around Brookville. So this is moving to the northeast at about 45 miles per hour.
Did you have sirens go off in your area?
Yes, I was outside. Sirens went off.
What'd you do?
Well, until it got real windy, I just loved being out in the air.
The thunderbolt.
Real windy, and then went in there.
The thunderbolts went off here a few minutes ago, and then me and Cone got in the closet again. And I filmed it from the backyard and the front yard.
Cool.
What's so cool about it? Like the guys said, they were,
Like you said, I just really enjoy weather.
and the guys were Mark and Aaron were joking me that, what are you trying to do? Be a Mark Wells indicator? And I just said, no, it's just, they said, it's not like you ever hadn't seen a storm before. You act like you just seen a storm. It was a joke, and it was funny, but I just told them it's just interesting, that's all.
Yeah, they know they're just kidding.
I know they are.
Just like here in Elmwood, that it's a tornado warning because maybe there's a rotation in the skies. That doesn't mean it's formed into a tornado or anything.
So why did the thunderbolts go off in Kewanee?
Maybe, well, the conditions must be right for a tornado or something.
Because you thought they saw a rotation where?
Outside of Johnson Park is what it said on my screen.
Alright. I was in my office working, and I thought I heard the siren, and Aaron apparently was in his basement, and Mark was, because I wanted to see if it was the siren, because I thought I heard it in the distance in my office, but I just wanted to see for sure, just to be safe, but, and I assumed he was in his basement, and that's why he didn't answer, I assumed, so. Alright, you think I'm good to be out of the closet yet, or you think I should go back in there a few minutes?
Well, did your phone go off?
No, it has not.
See, my phone did.
What?
My phone did go off about 20 minutes ago.
So you think I should go back in the closet a little bit, or you think I'm fine to be out of it?
No, I think you're okay for right now. Just watch the sky and the news and everything.
I got the weather channel on.
Yeah, our TV went out.
Why'd it go out?
I don't know, it just went out.
This is unusual for November.
Yeah, but remember November 17th, 2013.
Yep. The weather channel, it's got a thing going across the bottom. It says it's effective till 8 p.m. Something is. So I can't read it from here, but it says severe thunderstorm warning start and places like that. So I'm filming it because it's interesting.
Yeah, I know.
I kind of got scared when I thought I heard a thunderbolt the first time, and then when I was like looking outside at the sky, when I was like, after 5 minutes after I filmed it, I heard a thunderbolt start up, and I thought, uh-oh.
Yeah.
Why do you think I thought, uh-oh?
That means potential problem.
And then I coned in the cage in the closet, because that's where I just came out of, and Only I stuck him in there so that if something fell, it would have fell in the cage and not him.
Yeah, I understand.
You think I'm safe to let him out, or you think I should wait a
Yeah, I
little?
think it's okay now.
Okay. And then I'll just I seen the neighbors coming out next door and I just yelled at them, "Be careful! If the sirens went off."
Yeah, that's good.
Why is that good?
Or just being nice.
I just don't want anybody getting hurt because it's hard to say if tornado would hit this house or not.
I know.
And if it ever
I'm
did,
going to try to get a flashlight. Well, no, wait, my lights are on. But the TV went out.
yeah, I had flashlights in my pocket as I was in the closet.
Good.
Why is that
I'm
good?
trying to work on the TV.
We've really tried to keep our inventory nice and stocked so that people.
Yeah, it must be a MediaCom outage with the storm.
Also, with everyone
Probably.
from home or being home more, they're home
It
more to
usually
take
does that.
Alright.
Alright, well, I love you, Mr. Bradley.
There's a lot of silver.
Love you. I'll just keep the closet handy so if it gets bad again.
Okay. Love you.
Love you.
See ya.
See ya.
It is seasonless. Yeah, I used to order a few times a year, and now I'm ordering weekly and struggling and fighting other businesses trying to buy product, and yeah, it just doesn't slow down. It's a continuous thing. So we definitely have some customers that have a bit of an addiction that we're helping to feed.
A house, but can you have too many? Is there such a thing? Because sometimes you go to some houses like, whoa.
Okay, I'll resume this if we need to get in the closet again. I'll go let Cone out and
I mean, they serve multiple purposes. They're
hopefully
decor. If you've got herbs, they're food.
we're good.
They serve a lot of purposes.
Be
So
careful,
we
everybody.
think you can't have too many, but
Bye.